Welcome to the Kale app. In this tutorial, we're going to explore your sales pipeline within the Kale app. Think of your pipeline as a simple visual dashboard where you can see all your deals lined up in different stages, from the very beginning at qualification right through to closing the deal. Now, unlike a traditional CRM, Kale is not just a database of buttons, labels, and forms you need to figure out. Kale was designed from the ground up to be your AI assistant. You don't need to learn where to click to update a price or how to add details. Instead, you can simply chat with Kale, either by tapping or speaking, and it will understand what you mean, then do the work for you. Now, from any page within the app, you can start a chat by clicking this green icon at the bottom. Let's add a deal together. Now, you could either type a message, deal, or you could use the little voice recording button to transcribe a message quickly. Now, I will click this recording icon and say, in order to add a deal, please help me create a new deal for 123 Main Street in Parkhurst. The owner, Jackson Miller, is relocating across the country and wants to sell quickly. I haven't done a property evaluation yet, so I can't provide a listing price right now. Please add this to the pipeline. And there you go. There you have your message. A lot quicker than typing it out. Now I'll send that message off and Kel automatically creates the deal for me in the pipeline. If Kel needs more information, it will simply ask me follow-up questions, usually just one or two, and then place the deal in the right stage. Now it says, no Jackson Miller in your system. Want me to add him as a new contact for 123 Main Street? If yes, give me his phone number or email if you have it. Optional, but helps cut the confusion later. True. So obviously I will say, yes, please create the contact. His number is 123 456 7890. And there we go. New deal created for 123 Main Street Parkhurst. Let's close this up. And there you go. As you can see, in the qualification stage, we can open up this drop down, 123 Main Street Parkhurst. If we select this deal, we can then see the details. Now let's say some time has passed and I've visited the property. We've completed the evaluation and agreed to a listing price of 2.3 million. Update the deal is just as easy. I'll click the green Kale button again and say, we are moving ahead with the listing for Jackson Miller's house at 123 Main Street. Please update the property to a listing price of 2.3 million. I'll send the message off. And just like that, Kel updates the deal with the new information. As you can see, 2.3 million. Of course, there's even more detail you can capture in Kale, like rates and taxes, last sales price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, or the square meterage. You can update these details manually through the chat, but here's something even better. If you already have a property report in PDF format, simply upload it to Kale. Kale will scan the document, extract all the key details, and update the deal automatically. No manual typing required. Let's try that. To upload a PDF, you can go to the normal assistance page, click the PDF attachment, select a PDF, and say, add these details to 123 Main Street. And there you go. If we were to go back to the deal, Under mandate acquisition, because we've just acquired the mandate, you see how it has moved up a stage based on the context we've added to this deal. We select the deal, show more details. As you can see now, all the information that was in that property report has been updated to this deal, such as the last sales price, municipality valuation, last sales date, ERF size, all of that has been updated. And that's it. You've just seen how to manage your sales pipeline in Kale, from adding a brand new deal to updating listing details, and even using documents to fill in the final points. With Kale, your assistant is always ready to take instructions, saving you time and letting you focus on closing deals.